Hello everybody, I am Spegtacular, the Silver Stacular, and today I'm going to mention a metal that isn't often discussed, but is very much a part of our everyday lives. I'm also going to mention a company that is currently extracting this very metal from the ground today in an active mining operation. Let me introduce to you ATLY Mining Corporation. Let me state that I'm not a financial advisor, and I recommend that you do your own research on ATLY Mining, which you can find within this video and down below the video within the video's description. I'm very excited to have ATLY Mining as a sponsor for this video, which has allowed me to show you a super interesting company at a super interesting time. Okay, so zinc. You've heard of it, and it's super important in our everyday lives. And as a matter of fact, zinc is the second most abundant trace mineral in the human body after iron. Did you also know that in 1982, our Lincoln cents went from a mostly copper alloy to an approximately 99% zinc core? Check it out for yourselves. Go ahead and flick a cent prior to 1982, and then flick one that you see in change today after 1982 and listen to the sound difference. It's quite easy to detect copper versus zinc. Anyways, copper cents begin to be worth over a cent because of the increasing value of copper. Now that our cents are utilizing a majority of zinc, the price of zinc has risen to a point that experts believe we'll need to soon find another alternative for cents. That is, if we keep creating cents in the years to come. Now, something interesting about ATLY Mining is that they have a functioning and profitable mine. Zinc, lead, gold, silver, and copper are being pulled from this mine and generating revenue for ATLY Mining. This single mine is bringing in approximately $2 million in monthly income for the company. Now, this is exciting news for an investor because ATLY Mining isn't only exploring and developing, they are currently working and bringing added value to the shareholders. Now, I do want to get into their website, but let me first mention their stock price and their stock ticker symbol under the ticker symbol ATLYF. As of the making of this video, the share price is approximately 34 cents and has seen a slight decline due to the recent sell-offs in the market, which, coupled with ATLY Mining's market cap of approximately $110 million USD, this makes this current stock price seem like an absolute bargain, in my opinion. Okay, now I want to introduce you to ATLY Mining's website and read you in their own words what they're all about. All right, ATLY Mining Corporation is a Canadian-based, publicly traded mining company operating in Mexico that engages in exploration, development, and operation of polymetallic mineral resource projects in Mexico. ATLY Mining is currently in commercial production of its 100% owned Campo Morado mine, processing approximately 2,000 plus tons per day through the mine's milling facilities, producing zinc and lead concentrates with gold, silver, and copper as byproducts. In addition, ATLY Mining owns 100% of the Tajujito project, currently in construction development of its own on-site mineral processing plant with a design capacity of 1,000 tons per day. ATLY provides its investors uncorrelated exposure to the mining sector by a 1. Defensive asset class linked to precious metals returns, and 2. A cyclical return asset class, base metals, zinc, lead, and copper, the opportunity to invest in a company with high potential in a low-risk stage. ATLY has a portfolio of 2 advanced projects, one of which is already providing stable cash flows for the company. All right, now there's a video on their website where Ralph Shearing, the president, director, and CEO of ATLY Mining, speaks about the company. I want to play this video for you now so you can hear about their company through him.
Hello and welcome to ATLY Mining Corporation's website. I'm Ralph Shearing. I'm the president, CEO, and founder of ATLY, and we're an active mineral exploration and producing company in Mexico. We have 2 mines, both in Mexico. Campo Morado is the 6th largest zinc producer in Mexico currently. We have stable and growing cash flow from Campo Morado, and we expect to be able to increase the size of this mine as time goes on. We have an extensive metallurgical testing program underway, which we hope to allow us to achieve much higher precious metal recoveries and potentially turn this mine into a precious metal mine. At Tabahueto is a project in Durango that we are in construction. We're building a 1,000 ton a day mining operation, high grade gold. In fact, Tabahueto will likely be one of the 4 top highest grade gold producers in Mexico once we achieve production. The current reserves are 10 years mine life, and with resources, we have an additional 10 years mine life at 1,000 tons per day. We expect once Tabahueto comes into production to be re-rated as a precious metal producer, and both of our projects have excellent exploration potential. We will likely be able to increase the size of these projects with exploration success, which should come easily. Thank you for joining us. I look forward to your review of our website, and hopefully we can convince you to become a shareholder of our company. Thank you very much.
All right, now ATLY Mining's management team has many decades of experience together, okay, like as a team. But within their team is David Rhodes, who has experience of over 25 years in the finance industry. Now, Mr. Rhodes has a lengthy resume of companies he has assisted with his expertise and has arranged over $18 billion in funding for mining companies. Yeah, right. You heard me correctly now. That was billions with a B. And David Rhodes is working with ATLY Mining as chairman and director. All right, so now to backtrack and talk about ATLY Mining's Tabahueto project, which is fully owned and is near production, which plans to capitalize on the income possibilities of this project by mid-2022. Now, this could potentially boost the value of the company significantly and add a lot of value for the investors, which would likely cause a boost to the stock price around that time. Now, this project, coupled with the already producing Campo Morado mine, which is expandable, and they plan to increase production and revenue, really making this stock price seem like a steal at its current price point. Also, the companies that engage in mining typically they fluctuate with the current price of metals. And many believe we're in a bit of a downturn in the metals market at this moment. And when metals begin to pop again, well, let's say this could be a pretty darn exciting time for a company like ATLY Mining that has only a 34-cent share price. Okay, so obviously you can tell I'm excited about this company, but I want you to check it out for yourself and do your own research. I'll provide links below this video for you to do just that. Now check out ATLY Mining's website, check out their stock price, which again goes under the ticker symbol ATLYF, and learn about this very exciting company at a super exciting time to get in as an investor. 34 cents a share right now. As of the making of the video right here, that's intense. That's pretty awesome. Now, as always, I do appreciate you taking time to listen to me, but for now, I've got to go. Spegtacular is out.